Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to schedule and track meetings using Airtable, your secret weapon for 2025 organizational prowess. First up, let's create a new base in Airtable. Choosing the schedule template is a fast way to get started. This matters because the template comes preloaded with the fields you'll need for tracking meetings, saving you lots of time. Next, let's customize the base to suit our needs. We'll add a new field for meeting topics and another for attendees. The reason we do this is to ensure we have all the relevant data we need for each meeting at our fingertips. Remember, Airtable is flexible, so feel free to add as many fields as you need. Now that we've done that, let's start adding our meetings. Enter the data for each meeting, including the date, time, location, meeting topic, and attendees. This helps us because Airtable will automatically sort our meetings chronologically, making it easy to see what's coming up next. One unique feature of Airtable is the ability to switch views. Try changing to Calendar View. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is displaying all your meetings in a calendar format. This is a fantastic visual tool that helps you easily see your schedule at a glance. Finally, let's track meeting completion. After each meeting, mark it as completed. This is essential because it will give you a clear overview of your progress and what meetings are still pending. And that's it. You're now ready to schedule and track meetings using Airtable. Remember, the key is customization. Tailor your Airtable base to suit your needs, and it will become an invaluable tool for your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay organized.